All right, here we go, guys. Grab the Texans. Use the link pinned in the chat. Get your 10% off of them. We should have 2 to 3 autos, 2 additional autos per box. I think 1 rookie patch auto. If you're guessing the player on the last of these autos for 20 in credit, this is Resurgence Football Hobby. Good luck to everybody in this one. Box. Good luck to everybody in this one. Up next is going to be Top Finest Football. That'll come up next. There's Terrell Owens, Howie Long, Marcus Allen, Randy Moss, Edrin Cooper out of 99 for the Packers, Keon Coleman, Terrian Arnold, Mason Smith, we got Kurt Warner, Chad Johnson, Ed McCaffrey, Edrin James, Marshall Falk, Blake Corum out of 75 on the Circuit Breakers insert, Jalen Wright, Isaiah Davis. Lawrence Taylor, Jerome Bettis, Eddie George, Joe Montana, Jacob Cowing on the refractor, Marvin Harrison, Roman Wilson, Chris Broswell. Fred Taylor, Brett Favre, Ozzie Newsome, Bryce Young, Michael Pratt. That goes to Tampa in this product. Michael Pratt to Tampa. This auto is numbered. Out of 249. 187 out of 249. Joe Montana, Malik Neighbors, Cooper DeJean, Ray Lewis, Boomer Esiason, Joe Thomas, Antonio Freeman, Nate Wiggins, Glimmer and Gleam, Michael Irvin, Bucky Irving. There's a Jaden Daniels rookie. Stop load what we have so far, and we'll continue on. Grab your spots, guys, in these upcoming breaks. We had Houston was available. I don't know if anybody grabbed them. Grant 363 was not on the list tonight. Check the future break schedule to see when your break is up. Link is in the chat. There's Peyton Manning, Dan Fouts, Eli Manning, Tim Brown, Will Levis, Glimmer and Gleam, Jason Kelsey, Drew Colson, Brock Bowers rookies. Earl Campbell, Barry Sanders, Michael Irvin, Isaac Bruce, Malik Washington, auto number 2. Going to Miami. Or is that our first auto? Oh, Michael Pratt was our first. Malik Washington our second. Jim Kelly, Joshua Carty, and Jackson Powers Johnson. Thurman Thomas, Michael Vick, Christian Okoye, Jerry Rice, Rob Gronkowski. That one is out of 75. Gronkowski, Brooks on the refractor, Kingsley Suamata, Kamari Lannister. We got 4 packs left. Jason Kelsey, Tom Brady, Adrian Peterson, Isaac Bruce. How about a Jaden Daniels rookie patch auto out of 25? 17 out of 25 going to the Commanders spot. Big hit for the Commanders. Resurgence rookie patch autograph. It's a 3-color patch as well. 17 out of 25. Big hit for the Commanders. Top loader here. Congrats again to the Commanders. 17 out of 25 rookie patch auto Jaden Daniels. Big hit for the Commanders. Tom Brady on the Glimmer and Gleam. Leofau and Cole Bishop rookies. We got 3 packs left. Jaden Daniels was the guess of the break. We did not have anybody guess Jaden Daniels. It's kind of crazy. It's Hines Ward, Will Levis, Doug Flutie, Mike Singletary, Luke McCaffrey, Michael Vick, Ora Horo, and Eric All. Last 2 packs. Up next is Topps Finest 2024 Topps Finest Football. Troy Aikman, J.J. Watt, Dan Marino, Drew Brees, Hines Ward refractor, breakout, circuit breakers out of 149. There's Jonathan Brooks, Marius Mims, Cade Stover, and our final pack of this break. Brian Dawkins, Frank Gore, Bob Greasy, Jamal Charles, Keon Coleman, Jacob Cowing, Jared Wiley, Joe Alt, let's top load and recap. We hit that monster, Jaden Daniels. Awesome hitting this one. Was that purchased today, that spot? Would have been close. On top load recap, we'll move on to Topps Finest. We'll end it with Encore Football. Both are 2024 products. Excellent box of Resurgence football right there. Again, guys, we have breaks tomorrow night and Thursday. If you guys want to check and see if any of your breaks are scheduled, obviously we'll send out messages as well. But you can check that future break schedule anytime to see what breaks are getting put on the schedule, what time, how many spots are left. Plus, you'll also have access to all the breaks that we have listed on eBay. Future break schedule, links in the chat. Bookmark that page. There's Isaac Bruce on the refractor. Rob Gronkowski out of 75. Jonathan Brooks refractor. Luke McCaffrey refractor. Hines Ward refractor out of 149. Jonathan Brooks refractor. Will Levis. Keon Coleman out of 399. Out of 99, we got Edgerrin Cooper. Out of 75, Blake Corum, Cowing, Wiggins. Refractors, Jaden Daniels on the base. Michael Pratt out of 249. Malik Washington refractor auto, and the hit of the night and break. 17 out of 25. Jaden Daniels 3-color patch. Rookie patch auto. Big hit for the Commander spot. Congrats on that. That'll do it for this one. 2 more breaks left tonight. Let's get to the next one. Topps Finest Football. We'll get the title updated here. Their list pulled up. We had the Detroit Lions left. I'll see if they sold or not. Full here.